Okay, so here's how you can use Google Forms to record your TACFIT workout information and send it to a Google spreadsheet. I find it's pretty handy for um, adding the information from your mobile device and having it go to a spreadsheet that's in the cloud, then accessible from any other computer or device that you want to use. And you can make charts out of it or whatever you want to do with the spreadsheet. So here I am, I'm in my Google Drive, so I'm logged in as myself. I'm going to create a new document, go down here to New Google Forms. All right, and then we'll give this form a title. We'll call it King of Clubs. How's that? And we'll just say TACFIT worksheet, workout sheet. All right, so the first thing we want to track is we'll say the number of reps that we did for you know level 1 guard squat, and we'll leave that as short answer, and then we'll go add another question, and then we'll call this one the side swing, and we want it to be short answer, so we can put the number in there, and then the lever press. And we'll add side cross pendulum, short answer, and then the front swing, again short answer, and then what else we want to track? We want to track our technique. And on this, what you could do is on a linear scale, say on a scale of 1 to 10, right? And the next one, effort. And then also discomfort, right? Linear scale. And then also we're going to track our heart rate, right? And we'll leave that as short answer. And I think that's all we'll do for right now. There's probably other things you might be able to want to add to your score sheet, but you can now email it to yourself. It's kind of what I do so that I have it. We'll email it to and I will go to the email, boom, and then I can fill out the form. And I could also do this on my mobile device too, which is pretty handy if you're in the gym, and then you can put it on your mobile device, and well, let's say I did 20 of those and 30 of those, and we did 20 of those, and we did 25 side cross pendulum, and we did 30 front swings. Had an 8, and it was really hard, and wasn't too bad. We'll say my heart rate was 140. And I submit, and then here you can see automatically updates that I have one response, and gives you a summary if you have multiple responses. And then there's the single response. And then I can send that to a spreadsheet, right, where it says create spreadsheet. Create a new spreadsheet. And we'll give it a title, King of Clubs. We'll create it. And there's my spreadsheet, right? It's got an automatic timestamp of when I recorded it. So there's your date and time. I suppose you could create your own a form for the date of the and then track date separately. And then if you were going to input your workout date, you know, the day after or something, and then you'd have a timestamp of when you recorded it. But then you'd also be able to put in dates in the past. And so there's all the numbers, right? And we won't go into it here, but obviously you can, you know, chart off of if you have multiple data there, and use your spreadsheet to, you know, create a sum total. You know, here at the end I could sum up all my scores, create averages, those kind of things. So there you have it. That's how it's a kind of a handy way to capture your training data and add it to a running workout log. And that's all.